Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to start with cleaning the toilet. I make sure there is new toilet paper and I change the towel. And this is what I like to call my fast version. I have some cloths and a spray bottle. I'm using this vintastic bathroom cleaner. I really like the way it smells and it is a natural cleaner, so that is awesome. I cleaned the doorknob and the light switch first and also the sink. And then I'm cleaning the toilets. I'm spraying more of the bathroom cleaner on the toilet. And first I wipe it with some toilet paper and then with my cloth, which is going in the laundry now. This is the toilet bowl cleaner that I'm using, and as you can see it's almost empty. I've used all of it, I have to buy a new one, and I will, because this is also a very good smelling natural cleaner. With a clean rag I'm cleaning the potty, and then with another clean rag and some more bathroom cleaner spray I'm going to clean the floor. Over the course of the last week I recorded a lot of cleaning, so you will see me cleaning in different clothes, and sometimes I was even changing my clothes twice a day when it got too hot for a certain outfit. It was so warm here in the Netherlands. One day we had 38 degrees Celsius, which is 100 Fahrenheit I believe, and the other days it often was in the 90s Fahrenheit, so yeah, it was really warm. Here I'm filling a bucket with water and this vintastic cleaning vinegar. I'm going to use this to clean our screens. On some of the windows we have screens so that flies and other little animals don't enter the house. I think we've had them for a year now and I've never cleaned them, and since it's a warm day, it's a very suitable day to clean them. Also, our window washer will be washing our windows today, so it will be convenient if the screens are down so you can reach all of the glass. We have a lot of windows and most of them I cannot reach myself, so that's why we hired this window washer, and he is coming over like once every 8 weeks I think, and that way windows are taken care of. I've got my coat here and I feel so sad about it because look at this. It is very stained. It got stuck in the wheel of my bike today. The wind just blew it in the wheel and it got stuck there, and it was very hard to get it out. I had to pull really hard, and there are some little holes now, but they are very tiny. So obviously the biggest problems are the big black stains. I'm really worried that this might be the end of my coat, but I'm going to try a few things, starting with a normal stain spray. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to try butter, because I've read online that sometimes butter works in cases like this. And then I'm also going to try a dishwasher tablet. On this day I didn't have a lot of time, but I wanted to clean at least part of the upstairs floors, so I focused on the master bedroom and the bathroom. So I decided to vacuum and mop those two. I don't know how it is in your part of the world, but here it is summer holiday. So the kids don't have school, they're home all day, and they also don't have extra activities like piano lessons, for example. The only thing we do have is swim class for my son, so we've been going to swim class every day. My husband doesn't have vacation yet, so it's up to me to entertain the kids, and we've been doing other fun activities. There were some fun things in the library that we went to, like sometimes they are reading books there for the kids. We also went to the playgrounds, and in the weekend we went with my husband to the pool, the four of us, for swimming, and it was a lot of fun. As you saw, I already vacuumed the bathroom floor, and now I'm going to scrub it, and I'm using the mop. It has another attachment. It's not really a set, but it happens to fit. It's like a scrub brush. So I switch out the normal mop attachment for the scrub brush, and I'm going to use a lot of water and some all-purpose cleaner. So this is after washing it twice with a normal stain remover, and it's really not too bad. I thought it was the end of my coat, but you know, maybe it's not. I was reading online on what else to do with stains like this, and several people said to wrap some butter on it, so that's what I'm going to try next. Here's my coat with the butter on it. Butter has been sitting on it for 4 hours, I think, more or less 4 hours. I'm going to spray this really well with a stain remover, then wash it again, and hopefully things will improve. I am on my way to the washer, really curious if my coat has improved. Here's some laundry that I need to fold. Maybe a little bit, but the stains are still here. Maybe if I'd put the butter on right away, it would have been better. I already washed it a couple of times before the butter. But there's one last thing I can try, which is a dishwasher tablet. So I'm going to try that now. Now, I already told you some of the things that we did the first weeks of the summer holiday. Now for the upcoming weeks, we also have the plan to stay with my parents for a while. We try to do that every summer. They do live more on the countryside and it is so peaceful there. And it is just so good to be with family, of course. Apart from that, we will be enjoying ourselves here around the house, going to the playground, going to the ice cream place, meeting with a friend. I have a friend, she also has little ones, and we try to go to the playground with the kids often so they can play and we can chat, and that is always very nice. It took a lot longer than I thought for the dishwasher tablet to dissolve, but eventually it happened. And then I made sure the water dishwasher tablet solution was on all the stains, and I let it sit for quite a while before I threw it in the washer. Now here you see me with the dishwasher tablets. I am removing the little plastic cover that they have because those plastic covers don't always dissolve that well and then they can get stuck in the machine, and of course that's not what I want. So I just remove them all at once and then I don't have to think about it anymore. I almost forgot to show you my coat, but here you see it. Ta-da! It was this side and it's a little bit damaged here, but since it's such a long and flowy coat, it's really, yeah, if you don't know it, I don't think you can tell. So I will still be wearing it because I just love it so much. And I am so surprised that after several times of washing it, the stains were still removable with the dishwasher tablet. So if you have ever stains like this, the black greasy stains from a bike, then use a dishwasher tablet. In this case, it really worked. We are almost at the end of this video, and I really appreciate that you watched my video again all the way to the end. I hope you're having a wonderful summer and stay tuned for another video that will probably be up next week. I will see you in that video. Bye!